Welcome back to Atkarog 766, the place where classic cars never die and automotive legends live forever. If you love vintage American muscle, rare classics, and timeless rides that still turn heads today, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into one of the most underrated classics of the 1960s, the legendary 1966 Mercury Comet. The 1966 Mercury Comet was a car that perfectly blended style, performance, comfort, and personality into one beautiful package. During the golden era of American automobiles, Mercury created the Comet to sit between economy and luxury, giving drivers a sporty and refined experience without the huge price tag of bigger luxury cars. Even today, the 1966 Mercury Comet remains a favorite among collectors, restorers, and classic car fans across the United States. At first glance, the design of the 1966 Mercury Comet immediately grabs attention. The body lines are smooth and elegant, yet muscular enough to remind you that this car came from the exciting age of American performance. The front grille carried a bold and clean look with stacked headlights that gave the Comet a distinctive personality. Chrome details surrounded the body beautifully, adding a premium touch that reflected the style trends of the 1960s. One of the reasons why the 1966 Mercury Comet became so popular was the variety of body styles available. Buyers could choose from a two-door hardtop, convertible, four-door sedan, station wagon, and even high-performance models. Mercury understood that drivers wanted options, and the Comet delivered something for everyone. Whether you were a family driver, a young enthusiast, or someone looking for weekend cruising fun, there was a Comet designed for your lifestyle. Inside the cabin, the Mercury Comet offered a comfortable and classy atmosphere. The dashboard design was simple but elegant, featuring classic gauges, chrome trim, and easy-to-read controls. Bench seats were common during this era, providing plenty of room for passengers. The steering wheel design looked stylish and thin compared to modern cars, giving drivers a true vintage driving experience. Many owners still say that sitting inside a 1966 Comet feels like stepping into a time machine back to the glory days of American roads. But the real magic of the 1966 Mercury Comet was under the hood. Mercury offered several engine options that ranged from economical six-cylinder engines to powerful V8 monsters. This flexibility helped the Comet appeal to a wide range of buyers. For everyday driving, the smaller engines provided smooth cruising and reliability. But for performance lovers, the V8 options transformed the Comet into a true street machine. The most exciting versions were equipped with powerful V8 engines that gave the car serious muscle car energy. Some high-performance Comet models even became famous in drag racing history. Mercury wanted to prove that the Comet was not just another stylish car but also a serious performance contender. And they succeeded. One legendary moment came when specially prepared Mercury Comets dominated endurance and drag racing events during the 1960s. These victories helped build the Comet's reputation as a strong and capable performance vehicle. Enthusiasts loved the combination of lightweight design and powerful engines, making the car quick, responsive, and exciting to drive. Driving a 1966 Mercury Comet today is a completely different experience compared to modern vehicles. There are no giant touchscreens, complicated electronics, or endless driving modes. Instead, you get raw American driving character. The sound of the V8 engine, the feel of the steering, and the smooth ride create a connection between driver and machine that many modern cars simply cannot match. Another reason why the Mercury Comet remains respected today is its rarity compared to other classic American cars like the Ford Mustang or Chevrolet Chevelle. You do not see Comets at every car show, which makes them feel special and unique. For collectors, owning a clean 1966 Mercury Comet is like owning a hidden gem from the golden age of Detroit. Restoration projects for these cars have also become increasingly popular. Many classic car builders enjoy bringing old Comets back to life by restoring the paint, rebuilding the engines, and modernizing the interiors while still keeping the original spirit alive. Some owners prefer factory original restorations, while others create custom resto-mod builds with upgraded suspension, brakes, and modern performance parts. The aftermarket community for Mercury vehicles may not be as massive as Ford or Chevrolet, but passionate fans continue to support these cars. Finding a restored 1966 Mercury Comet cruising down an American highway is enough to make any classic car enthusiast stop and stare. What truly makes the 1966 Mercury Comet special is its balance. It was stylish without being overly flashy, sporty without sacrificing comfort, and powerful without losing everyday usability. Mercury created a car that represented the optimism and creativity of the 1960s automotive world. Today, the Mercury brand itself no longer exists, which gives classic Mercury models even greater historical importance. Cars like the 1966 Comet remind us of a time when American automakers experimented with bold designs and unique identities. It represents an era when driving was not just transportation but an experience filled with excitement, freedom, and personality. For YouTube viewers and younger generations discovering classic cars for the first time, the Mercury Comet is a fantastic reminder that some of the best American classics are not always the most famous ones. Sometimes the hidden legends leave the strongest impressions. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible 1966 Mercury Comet, make sure to subscribe to Carog 766 for more classic car stories, vintage American legends, rare vehicles, and automotive history. Leave a comment below and tell us if you would drive this beautiful Mercury Comet today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next classic car adventure.